see I said them thing, we kind of just easy.
It was still there.
So
After a while,
some
in
things,
a black complexion and in the water, no Joan can find that in any kind of dirty water.
We don't know. The last resort, because we are say that they can't drain the pan. So because they can't drain the pan, if anything in the pan, the bacteria and the DNA is still in the pan. So that is the last apparatus to get a lab go there, get a diver, go under the bottom.
No, the skeleton, if they drain the pan, the skeleton are going to
Can I say something, guys? Can I say something? And
yeah, man.
I know the system is very slow when it comes to it. We have over 50 at footage at the pan. And I just look one way to post. Me can't show it on my phone right now. I just lazy. Me don't even post one on my page. Me have over 50 at different footage. And I just look one way to post. But what Shanda not tell you no, Shanda sent some to a police in America for analysation. Ask her if I lie me I tell her.
Alright.
So me comfortable with the amount of footage.
Wait, me see.
You see, apart from the local part we never search yet, me comfortable with the rest were missing. And me see. Look here, hold on, let me show you something. Let me show you something, because I have to come here so I can tell you no lie. I'm going to show you, I have over 50 and different footage of the pan. I have footage in me watching, I don't even know if I watch. So, Shanda send them go get a police lady in America for analysation. I think she said one of her client. And they come back and she says...
But was it after the storm or before the storm?
After the storm.
Because there's something in the bottom of the pan. The storm are going to carry a whole heap of silk and a whole heap of dirt and all kind of things.
Oh man, listen up bro. I'm matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? Just for the public, I'm going to post about 10 minutes footage. Because if you don't see it, if any house start and to clean up the plan, in my opinion, our rake stamp you have to have. You can't just have a normal stamp to clean up the plan. You have to have a rake stamp where rake it pan because
no, I say clean it out. Me I say wash thing and the skeleton.
You can't see it.
No man, nothing can bury up under there because the footprint them and everything.
Let me tell you
everything there.
Everybody allow, in my opinion, their opinion, right? But here what me I say, me I think there when the price go down there, you can't just go over a fence. So. You have to find to go underneath it. And I am thinking, alright, you have to go down there so you're now going to chance it in a day. Me I talk for retreat the money. This is just my crazy wild thinking. Me I say,
they can't go back.
Well, man, me say,
wait man.
And this is why me kinda, you see, when the pan argument come up, me have no regret in searching the pan. As God is my witness, I don't have a regret. All we know say him not there so at the moment when we go there, him not there. So and for me, we move on to the next part for search. This when the lady come and tell about under the Wango tree, me did that say forgot it. So anyway, nobody tell me research. But what I am saying with the pan is I personally, Miss Carol's second picnic was comfortable with the footage of what me see. That's why I don't know you hear me I said none way blah blah about the pan because I said okay, you know what? Most of them was less clean. I'll fish in them, not even know say.
We need to trap Mr. T and see how far Mr. T go all in surrounding in Jamaica and see which part of
and the police had gone to the pan and spent 3 consecutive days. Right? So if something in there and they wanted to retrieve it back based upon how them know them put it in, they could have. Right? And that is why we see some footprint under the bottom of the water. Alright? Call ourselves say we late. Tell ourselves say we go there after call it 3 months or 4 months. We late. We late when we go there. We have to take one beating. But one thing we know can't remove. If it is that he was in the pond, there is DNA samples or whatever bacteria samples is still there. You understand? So if that water test, it can be proven that he was here. Because it's not running water, it's a standstill water.
I tried to ask somebody that question. because I had Googled it and I had phoned a friend and asked him that if there's strong DNA in a settled body of water, like for example a pool or what we call them something lake or so, will it be able to detect DNA evidence in there? Because that's something we want to know, because then, and this is what I am saying, so this is why the GoFundMe is very important. The GoFundMe, regardless if you believe or not, it is very important, because of stuff like this, we could have said, alright, price, we are going to go to this place here, and we are going to make a budong go full of them little thing there, and we are going to send, write the name pan and way and send it off and get it test. But we need to have funds to do all of these things. There's a lot of things can do, and as I said, I think what we're doing is brilliant, it's excellent, it's amazing.
But T, you know me a team about the amount of body go missing in a Manchester. The amount of body go missing in a Manchester and stuff. That pan must have a whole heap of body in there. That's what they don't want to do.
No man. And this is what me I said here, I'm Speedy. I understand what you're saying. But if you see the footage that I saw, them have to clean out all of the bones them out of it from before the drone hit the water. You know, say it's impossible what you're saying, you know. But according to the drone, unless we are going to say the drone camera, them bug it or whatever. But according to the drone camera.
Yeah man, a water drone, yeah man, water drone Speedy.
I think a sky drone.
No man, water drone go under there. Water drone go under there.
I would see. If everything clean like this, my friend.
No, I can't no man. Once I say a water drone, I can't man. I never know a water drone. I have the one of them on the phone. I just laziness in me. Make me not send them to price. I just pure laziness in me. Pure laziness. Sorry man, I never know a water drone, man. Sorry.
No man, a water drone Speedy.
I never know a water drone.
So what we are saying, if anything did in there, it would have moved before the drone got it. Right? And we see some impression like some.
And that is the reason why I was saying to you, that is the reason why. So when the drone, when the guys send over the footage, so I start in my own head, start thinking about the possibility of removing the whatever if somebody or anybody was there. I'm saying, I'm just looking at the you have to go under the fence, because I see you got the fence in there, and I say you have to go under this fence here, you have to go out there with light in the night, you probably have to go bring a little boat, and you have to go get diver with suit, and I just find the removal of the body is going to be very difficult, and people obviously people remove it.
Remember when the story just burst, you know? Them said the whole house where them live, and when that girl was unalive and they asked her about the whole yard, you know, she talked about apparently like she couldn't remember the whole yard and nothing. Yeah. I still remember that whole yard there, you know, that pit there where them at, that pit need for, because anywhere them bury him have him key with him. So if you have a metal detector, a strong metal detector, and check all over that pit if you can't get no. Eh? That whole yard there, cause the first thing they come out say at this so them put him, and it's still, we don't know where that news will come from at first, if somebody leak it or what.
You know, I don't know, but I feel like there's somebody where can tell we either where Jayden is or where Jayden was on Friday. I feel this. He come back. They say, so shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. And from the very beginning, I was saying it's Demar and Shanice, and we come back full circle again, and then we come back.
Yes, and for them can't find him, and so him in a pit, man. They not can't go far, because if they not can't go far, if nobody see, but maybe enough for them pit a smarty pit, but they put him in a pit right close by. They don't move gun nowhere at all. If I know the whole house, I know that same yard.
I'm telling you our next thing when we Google and sit down Manchester. You know, our next thing when we Google and sit down Manchester, I'm gonna know if price know this. You see the kitchen, most kitchen, enough kitchen in Manchester. You know what I'm saying kitchen there? They have a rotted tank underneath them. Most of the houses in Manchester have a tank underneath the kitchen floor. Put that in a Google and go look. some of them old school house there. Yeah.
Yes, and now the new house some of build so I say for instance, so England build as well, you know. All of the building them have a big tank underneath them with all the rainwater and let it go little. So most house have a big tank underneath them, you know.
Yeah, secret big of yourself. Yeah. And this is what me I try to explain to you. This is what me I try to explain to people. Nah, rubbish no, not me, you know. Nah, rubbish nothing. Me, nah, rubbish nothing. But you see, my gut feeling is just anything when I can't shake out of my gut, I go come and I go tell you, say this is my belief and this is my feelings. And what I am a person, what I like to do, I like to go and do diggings. I like to do diggings because me no want come and tell you say the rain black and then tomorrow somebody send me picture of the rain green. Me no want that to happen. So before me come and tell you something, you go and hunt and see me can get picture. Unless them are going to do deep fake or whatever, but a picture. Like how me I tell you say the crocodile is in foreign. The crocodile, she is in foreign. Somebody, you know, a man coming up speedy, and this is what me I try to tell a man. And come and tell the price, say, yo, in city, the woman, I ask price, what I said, it's the price. Now, man, we live in our era where we have everybody, if I can't crash right now, and a man head and go so. Before they call the police, they might take video of the man. You understand? So if you see somebody that important and that have so much interest to we the public and you feel like you can't take a picture, a liar tell.
Yes. Just like the person who said they see him 2 days after in him uniform, same way. First thing they do, take a picture as proof. You say him in a uniform and a
Let me tell you why. Hey, after a man, I tell people something I believe in something else speedy. Me tell all the family member I say I lie the granny I tell because first somebody may say see a granny no. Me never over idea no. But me tell you why me don't believe them thing there. Them tell you say the little boy was so. Guys, when you touch an art up and stuff for me, when you come in like me, I'm going to touch an art up and so up at crap at the phone up and so one art up there. I'm telling you the person why me never believe in them story the way them crap the way them are telling me. Because them say them see in the Friday evening soaking wet. See? Them say them see him soaking wet Speedy. So maybe ask one question, Speedy. A 12-year-old boy or girl go to school and wet up soaking wet. You think so them are going to stand up all night, Friday night, and still you can't see them Saturday evening